What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. In this video, I think we need to talk about Shiba Inu coin because Shiba Inu coin kind of flipped a little bit, and not just a little bit, but definitely a lot of it. And we're seeing the entire market actually make a move as well. So I wanted to kind of incorporate that into this video. But let's take a look at Shiba Inu, see what's happening, and talk about why it flipped and how it flipped and all of that stuff. So guys, hit the like button. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the other links that are down in the description as well for different exchanges if you guys want to buy Shiba Inu coin or any other position that's out there. I have 4 different exchanges that you guys can use down below. But before we dive into that, I want to address one thing. Kind of said undress. I want to undress and address one thing. Is this right here? Guess that looks like an image of what people like to refer to as a package. Is not. That is plumbing that's behind the wall, and I actually have to seal it off because a cat got stuck behind there, and I haven't, closed in the actual area because we had to do things with that area. But it's not what you think it is, so don't think that it is that. Anyways, let's talk about Shiba Inu coin. The entire market today was actually down a little bit, down by 6%. Not just a little bit, but by a lot, right? Down by 6%. It's still above that $1 trillion market cap. It's at a $1.06 trillion market cap overall. But you can see that things have fallen, right? Ethereum, Bitcoin, everything that has been falling. Now, in a down market, you expect things like Shiba Inu to fall and really everything to fall. But as you can see in the trending, it's actually falling more than the market. It's down by 9.9%, which is not what I want to see as somebody that has more of a short-term investment that's looking for a bigger gain out of that short-term investment, especially with the release of the beta, the Shiberium beta, and everything that's happening there. But let's take a look at it. Let's look at it closer and just understand what is happening there. So currently, it's at 0.00001036. So it has dropped again by 9.8% today. We saw a high of 1143 and a low of 1024. The market cap today is at $5.6 billion. Volume, though, is actually up by 4 or 5%, seeing it at $454 million worth of volume. And the circulating supply, total supply, that's what we're really looking at there. And obviously, we're focusing on in order for these larger gains. Now, what's the reason why this is falling so much? Well, usually more popular positions will fall or rise by a lot more than what the overall market is doing. Sometimes you'll see Bitcoin that's up by 5%, and you'll see, Algorand that's somehow up by 20%, right? Or you'll see Terra Luna Classic up by 50%, or you'll see something else up by so much. So it's mainly just around the popularity behind it. It's not because people are getting tired of it. I mean, there's some people that have reached out to me and that were like, look, I'm tired of Shiba Inu coin and I'm not holding on to this anymore. But it's only like a select few. Out of 100 comments, you probably have 1 comment that says that. So it's not saying that people are just getting tired of it and selling the position. You probably have a lot of day trading and swing trading with the amount of volume that's actually happening there. The fact that we have an increase in amount of volume means that we have more people that may be selling on the selling side and capturing some of those gains that they did have from the lower point of actually adding a zero rather than, dropping a zero. But right now, we are very, very close. We're on the verge of adding a zero and getting to 0.00009, 0.00009, which would be a great buying point for a lot of people if they were looking to purchase it at a certain level. I would have loved to have purchased it at that level because, obviously I'm looking for a short-term gain and I'm still looking for that gain. I did see a little bit of a rise from where I was up to the high point of, I believe, 12. But it has come back down. It has completely flipped. Really, not just Shiba Inu that has flipped. It's the entire market that really has flipped. And this really comes on the heels of the release of the beta. So if you didn't know, Shiberium was supposed to be released in third quarter of last year. then got pushed. Obviously, we saw some decreasing, we saw some falling within the market, and not only just the market, but also individual positions, seeing it fall even more. And then we got into the first quarter. Now we are officially like close to the end of the first quarter, jumping into the second quarter, and the beta was finally released. So maybe people are just like, look, we were promised Shiberium in the third quarter, and now you're just delivering the beta in the first quarter of 2023. That seems a little ridiculous that you're releasing it. It's taking that long to release. Now, we don't know what's going to happen with the burns that are going to happen with Shiba Inu. We don't know if bone will be your main priority. And for some people, they're bringing that to me and they're saying, bone is definitely going to be the main priority. I've said it that bone will be their main priority, the main character of their ecosystem. And it's not necessarily a bad thing. Shiba Inu isn't controlled by anybody, so it can't be the main player or the main character of their ecosystem because they can't do anything with it. With Bone, they can change anything that they want to change. They have heavy investments. They were able to allocate different funds to different people. They were able to do so much with Bone compared to what you would do with Shiba Inu, which is basically nothing. And they have publicly said that they didn't have any Shiba Inu, or they didn't hold much Shiba Inu. So if anything was to move or anything was to skyrocket, now I'm paraphrasing at the end of this, it would probably be the ones that they have created. So anyways, that's where we stand with Shiba Inu. I know it's tough to really take in, especially with the fact that we're down over the day, but just know that Shiba Inu has flipped. It doesn't mean that it flipped permanently. This may be a good buying opportunity for a lot of people to get in at a low price and see this thing absolutely skyrocket. But yeah, we're just waiting on the actual release of Shiberium and see how that affects Shiba Inu in the long run. But guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter, on Patreon. Those links are down there. And one more thing, if you guys want to check out some of the referral links for exchanges, those are also down in the description. And again, I want to point out this thing right here. It is not what you think it is. And maybe some people didn't even notice it. But typically I have the light off back there. But I was just letting people know. I was like, all right, let me put the light on, because I've seen some people that were like, hey, it's a great picture you have on the wall. It's not a picture of what you think it is. It's plumbing. It just looks like it because of the angle, which it's weird, but whatever. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And again, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. I appreciate everybody that's here, everybody that's watching, all the people in the live streams, and everybody that still supports Shiba Inu. I do appreciate you guys. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.